Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 100. Now we have chained 100 on the 7th chain from a hook. I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, and through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, and through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, then right here through this first 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. So we have 3 chain in the beginning of the row plus these 2 double crochets, and that gives us 3 double crochets. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4, through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Repeat this throughout row 2. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then right here through this 3 chain loop I'll make 13 double crochet. Right here through this one chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 13 double crochet. Now through this one chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 13 double crochet. Now right here through this one chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish I'll just chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 3. Now we're going to form this into a flower. This is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.